Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix text messages not sending in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your text messages are not sending, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to Play Store here, go to search and just search for Messages app here, and you just have to make sure that your Messages app, your Google Messages app is up to date. You might have an independent update for this. If you find this, how to update your app, and after updating, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, keep the long press on your Messages app, click on this info button or icon here, just scroll down, go to storage, and just click on clear cache, and you can also try to clear data of your Messages app. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can have to make sure that you are using a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or your cellular data if you're sending messages over cellular connection. Or if you are using your SIM credits or your SIM balance, you have to make sure that you have enough credits to send SMS from your phone. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just click on restart again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed if there will be any software glitch or any technical issue with your software or with your phone. It might be fixed in this step and you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.